Hello and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This guide outlines how to become a personal care services provider in New York, offering hands-on support with daily living activities to individuals with disabilities, chronic conditions, or age-related challenges, enabling them to maintain independence at home. These services are authorized under New York's Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services Waiver Programs, HCBS. Oversight is provided by the New York State Department of Health, NYSDOH, the Office for People with Developmental Disabilities, OPWDD, the New York State Office of Mental Health, OMH, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. Approved providers offer assistance with personal hygiene, mobility, meal preparation, medication reminders, household tasks, and companionship. To become a provider, apply through the eMedNY portal, submit documentation, and undergo a program readiness review. Upon approval, you can bill Medicaid. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to help agencies launch compliant personal care services in New York. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.